Alright, Grant. Now this is a dog that both Stafford's returning. He's 3 years old, and can you tell the rest? Can you tell the rest?
He's a beautiful, loving, sweet boy. Loves to be around people.
He really does. He gave a big kiss to animal, fainted on the floor.
He's a good boy.
I was watching his kitten videos, I almost cried, actually.
Are you a good boy? I'm a beautiful boy. Come on! Baby! Come on, Chase! Look at him go! You want your treat?
He left them all on the floor once. I sure taped that.
Want your treat? Go ahead. Good boy! That's a good boy! He's such a good boy! He's such a good boy!
This dog loves to be around people.
Choky, never know him choky.
No chokus! This is my awesome fish. His name is Awesome Smith.
Get it out. Alright, cut, because you're not doing what I'm asking.
Alright, I was already saying.
Come on, Aunt.
This Grant loves food.
Great eating.
Yes, I will.